Hello and welcome everybody to my channel Omni Bio Entrance, and today we will be discussing CUCET PG Entrance question paper. It was conducted in the year 6th June 2023. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. If you want still previous year question papers of life science, you can refer to my channel Omni Bio Entrance. Go to the playlist, C for CUCET folder, in that you will find. Then next question. In diploid eukaryotic species, homologous chromosomes can exchange peace with each other, a phenomenon called. Which of the following statements are true? The crossing over event occurs during prophase of meiosis. Yes, that is correct. Occurs during meiosis 1, specifically during the prophase 1 stage. So that's correct. A is correct. Crossing over can change the combination of alleles along a chromosome and produce recombinant offsprings. That's also correct. T.H. Morgan proposed that non-parental offsprings are produced by crossing over. That's also correct. Crossing over does not produce recombinant offsprings. They produce recombinant offsprings. Crossing over event occurs during meiosis 2, not meiosis 2, meiosis 1, more specifically prophase 1 of meiosis 1. So A, B, C are the correct statements. So answer here is option 2. Then next one. Key effects of genetic drift are significant in small population. Yes. A is correct. Cause allele frequencies to change at random. Yes. Lead to loss of genetic variation within populations. Yes. Cause harmful alleles to become fixed. Yes. Significant in extremely large population size. They are not large population, it is in small populations. So A, B, C, D is the answer. Answer is option 3. Then what are the exampling of cytokines? Titin. Titin is not a cytokine. It is involved in muscle contraction and relaxation. It is a protein. Interferons, yes, it is a cytokine. Colony stimulating factors, yes. Interleukins are also cytokines. So B, C, D are cytokine. Okay, ferritin. Ferritin, it is involved in ion storage and release. So it is not a cytokine. So A and E are not cytokines, whereas B, C, D is the answer. Answer is option 2. Which one of the following is correct about biogeochemical cycling? The cycling between inorganic carbon dioxide and organic carbon occurs aerobically and anaerobically by the microbes. A is correct. Biogeochemical cycle is not energized by solar energy. It is energized because solar energy drives the cycle. That is, if you see carbon cycle, there is photosynthesis that is taking place. Then water cycle, there is evapotranspiration. Then there is atmospheric circulation, chemical reaction. So all these are influenced by solar energy. So B is not a correct statement. Phosphorus is cycled in its oxidized state, phosphate, and there is no gaseous form. That's correct. Methane is a greenhouse gas of increasing concern due to its low global warming potential. Not low global warming potential, it is high global warming potential. So D is also not correct. Nitrogen, phosphorus and sulfur cycle have gaseous component only. No. Nitrogen and sulfur have both gaseous and non-gaseous components, whereas phosphorus has no gaseous component. So E is also not correct. Only A and C are correct. Your answer is option 4. Food-borne bacteria that cause acute bacterial vomiting and diarrhea. So it is E, A, B only, that is option 4. Escherichia, then Shigella and Salmonella. Answer is option 4. Polymerase chain reaction is a laboratory technique for generating large quantities of specified DNA. The essential requirement for PCR are, yes, you need a target DNA. Polymerases, yes. You need ligase, no. So B is not correct. 2 primers and a DNA polymerase, yes. C is correct. 4 deoxyribonucleotides, yes. Nitrocellulose membrane is not needed in PCR. It is required in southern blotting, northern blotting. So A, C, D only are the right answers. So answer is option 1. Which of the following is linked with beta oxidation of fatty acid? Activation of fatty acid, yes. Breakdown of fatty acid in the cytoplasm. No, beta oxidation occurs in the mitochondria, not in cytoplasm. Transport of fatty acid into mitochondria, yes. Beta oxidation in Krebs cycle, no. Beta oxidation in mitochondrial matrix, E. So A, C, E are the right answers. So answer is option 3. Then choose the correct answer from the match list 1 with list 2. Withania. Withania is ashwagandha. A3. A3 is present only in option 4. So option 4 is the right answer. B. Papaver is for morphine. Rauwolfia is for reserpine. And cinchona is for quinine. So A3, B1, C4, D2. That is the right answer. Then DNA is 1. DNA is 1. It produces single-stranded nicks in DNA or nicks. Okay, 3. DNA is 1. A3. A3 is present in option 2 only. Then B4. RNA is H. It degrades the RNA portion of the DNA-RNA hybrid. Yes. S1 nuclease degrades single-stranded DNA. Terminal transferase. It adds nucleotides to the 3' end of the DNA. So answer here is option 2. Then hexokinase. This was actually a question which was dropped, but it was dropped because there is no correct option. But I will tell you the answer. Hexokinase is glucose to glucose 6-phosphate, A3. A3 is not present in any of the options. That is why it was dropped. So A3. Pyruvate kinase is phosphoenol pyruvate to pyruvate. Aldolase is fructose 1,6-bisphosphate to glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate and dihydroxyacetone phosphate. Enolase is for 2-phosphoglycerate to phosphoenol pyruvate. So A3, B4, C2 and D1. Answer is not given in the options. Next one. Fluorescence microscopy. Fluorescent microscopy. Tissue sections are examined under UV light near the visible spectrum and components are recognizable by the fluorescence they emit in the visible spectrum. A4. Okay. Dark field microscopy. Light is scattered at boundaries between regions having different refractive indexes. Then electron microscopy. Electron microscopy is stream of electrons are deflected by an electromagnetic field. Light microscopy, light is the source of illumination. So A4, D1, B3 and C2. That gives you option 3 as the answer. Next one. Vancomycin antibiotic, it is obtained from Streptomyces orientalis. A4. There, 1 itself is the answer. No, A4 is present in option 3 also. Okay, we cannot see 1 as the answer. Okay, A4. Then bacitracin, it is in from Bacillus subtilis, B1. So 3 is the answer, not 1. Then streptomycin is from Streptomyces griseus and amphotericin is from Streptomyces nodosus. So answer is option 3. Then DNA replication protein and their function. DNA polymerase 3, it synthesizes DNA in the leading and lagging strand. A2. DNA polymerase 1 removes RNA primers, fills gaps in the DNA. A2, B3. DNA ligase is covalently attaches adjacent Okazaki fragment C4 and TUS or TUS. It is bind to terminal TER sequences and prevents the advancement of the replication fork. Answer is option 3, A2, B3, C4 and D1. Then phylum and their salient features. Porifera. Porifera is body with pores and canals involved. A2. Okay, A2 is present in option 3 only. Then the Ctenophora. Comb plates for locomotion. Platyhelminthes, flat body suckers. And Annelida, body segmentation with ring, like rings. Answer is option 3. So that's it. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. If you want still previous year question papers of CUET Life Science, go to my channel Omni Bio Entrance. See for playlist. In the playlist, search for CUET. In that you will find previous year question papers. So that's it. Thank you for watching my channel. Please do subscribe it.